Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Edge browser security settings. And in today's video, I will show you the best security settings that you can enable right now on your Microsoft Edge browser in order to protect and secure your browsing experience when you are using Microsoft Edge browser. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Microsoft Edge browser. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots. And this is going to drop down right here. Come down below right here and navigate to settings. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on privacy, search, and service right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to security tab. Here you go. Now, if you have not enabled some of the tab right here, it is advisable you turn them on in order to protect your security on Edge browser. Now, one of them is that protect from harmful sites and download. Make sure you enable this button right here. Block potential wanted app. So, for instance, maybe you enter some website and you want to download some of their app and install it on your PC, and you want to get a notification that this app or the website is dangerous. Make sure you turn on this particular button right here to secure your download options and the likes. Next thing you want to do, visit type of protection. Here, alert you when a website address is mistyped to prevent visits to a potential harmful website. So this is also advisable to turn on right here so that you don't visit a wrong or mafia website. Next right here is automatically switch to more secure connection with automatic HTTPS. Make sure you turn on this, just like so. Once you turn this on, alert you about insecure public website. Make sure by default this is turned on. Lastly, scroll down right here and scareware blocker. Here, allow Microsoft to use AI to detect potential text scam. Go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. Lastly, block site detected as scam. Turn this on. Scroll down right here and then make sure you come to enhance your security on the web. Ensure you turn on this. Come down below right here and then you have another options right here. Use Microsoft Edge Security Network. Go ahead and turn on this. And with that, you are fully secure when you are browsing or surfing internet using your Edge browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.